Hey, what's up, family? Not going to waste any time in this video. In this video, I'm just going to show you how you can get the multi-screen setup on Tradingview. All right. So it's going to kind of depend on like what level or plan you have. I think on the basic plan, you can just get 2 screens, but kind of the higher level you are, the more screens you have. But if you want to check and see what you can do, you click over here and pretty much they have a setup for 1, 2, 3, or 3, 4. Let's see if I can do 8. All right, so as you can see here, I can do 8, but pretty much all you do is you just click on this thing over here. If you just have one screen, it's going to look like this. You're going to click on it. If you want 2, click on 2. If you want 3, click on 3, or 4, click on 4. And that's how you do it. It's simple as that. Here, let's see. And on top of that, you can even kind of take the panes, move them like that. If you want to kind of take them and move them like that, you can do that as well. If you found this video to be helpful, be sure to smash the like button. And for some reason you're not subscribed, be sure to do that as well. And last but not least, thank you so much for watching. Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life.